A Windows print spooler file stores the metadata behind queued print jobs, the instructions your system uses to manage the printing pipeline. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these print spooler data files. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the SHD file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. SHD files are Windows print spooler shadow files, storing metadata for pending print jobs, including document name, printer name, user information, page count, and print settings. They pair with SPL spool files that contain the actual print data waiting to be sent to the printer. Windows SHD files use a binary format containing dev mode printer settings, structures document title strings, printer name port, information, submission timestamp, and job priority data. They are stored in the Windows spool directory at C Windows System 32 and spool printers. The optimal viewer for the SHD format is generally considered to be Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows can recognize them but discourages manual changes due to high risk. The initial test, right-click the SHD file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Windows is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If your SHD file still refuses to open, stay calm. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, clearing stuck print jobs. If print jobs are stuck, stop the print spooler service by opening command prompt as administrator and running net stop spooler. Delete all files in C Windows System 32 and spool printers, then restart the service with net start spooler to clear the print queue. Next, recovering print job information. Open the SHD file in a hex editor to inspect the print job metadata, including the document name and printer that was targeted. This can help identify important documents that were lost during a spooler crash or unexpected system shutdown. Finally, preventing spooler issues. Keep your printer drivers updated and avoid sending excessively large print jobs that may overwhelm the spooler. Enable the Restart Spooler automatically option in the Print Spooler Service properties to ensure automatic recovery from temporary spooler failures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.